Hi and welcome to Ginger Muse Embroideries. Today I'm going to start by showing you some basic stitches. I'm going to go with the running stitch. Start by threading your needle. I'm using 3 strands of yarn, and this is like trying to create an even stitch with a gap in between. And we do so by running our needle like this. You can keep straight, and with the practice you're going to learn to see the gap in between as well and make it even. So you're working for an even stitch, an even gap. This is used a lot in sewing clothes, and when you want to put things together before putting them on a sewing machine. Yeah, keep your thread tight and just keep going. As this is 3 strands, you need to make sure that none of it is caught and hanging on top. Like here, just kind of like pull it so it's all straight. Fairly easy, right? When you finish, you go under and make a knot to 7 your stitch. This is the running stitch.